Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on automatically delete files from download folders in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on automatically delete files from download folder, right click on Start menu. Click on Settings. In left pane, click on System. Scroll down. Go to Storage. Here you will find Storage Sense. Click on the arrow icon here. Scroll down again. Here you will find Delete files in my downloads folder if they have not been opened for more than and never is selected. It's default. Click on the drop down menu here and you can select the time frame. I am selecting 30 days. That means if any files in download folder I have not been opened more than 30 days, it will be automatically deleted from the downloads folder. This is the easiest way to turn on automatically delete files from download folder in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.